know that I might be needing your love. Oh, what I'm trying to say isn't really new. It's just the things that happen to me when reminded of you. Like when I hear your name, or see the place that you've been, or see the picture of your green, or pass a house that you've been in one time or another. It sets up something in me I can't explain, and I can't wait to see you again. Oh babe, I love you.